The first process is face milling, which focuses on the upper part of the workpiece to reduce its thickness before undergoing further processes. The tool used for this process is a face mill. This step is crucial for achieving the desired dimensions and thickness of the workpiece. Next, contouring is employed to create fillet edges, enhancing both the visual appeal and structural integrity of the workpiece. The tool used for contouring is a flat-end mill. Finally, the last step is pocket milling, which is employed to carve slots within the workpiece, aligning with the design of the desired workpiece. These three processes, face milling, contouring, and pocket milling, collectively shape the workpiece to meet specific requirements.